So good morning everyone, hope everybody had a good President's Day weekend. I'm actually going to be getting my lowering springs installed today. These are the Megan Racing Performance lowering springs. These are the ones you can find on Pro Civic. I think they run about 140, but I picked them up at 9 Livery for a little bit cheaper. So I'll leave the link down in the description below so you guys can take a look at it. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys what the springs look like. If I can get them opened. So you get the set of 4. They're orange and they're all labeled. Let's see. So this one is rear. And I believe this one is the front. Yeah, that's the front. It's pretty much a basic box. They're all wound up in bubble wrap. No +5 horsepower stickers, none of that. Just very no nonsense. Oh, never mind. You do get the 5 horsepower sticker. Cool, I didn't even see that. But right now I'm still sitting on the stock suspension, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go outside and show you guys how the stock suspension looks. I'm sure you're all aware of how it does look. And then once I get them installed, show you the after. So currently this is how it sits. Let me go ahead. This is the stock ride height in the front. As you can see, full 5 fingers fit. And then in the rear, it's about same thing. So the plan is to lower it about inch and a half. Let me just show you from the back how it looks. So that's currently how it's sitting. So this is the after when we installed the springs. Look at how low that is. That was more of a drop than what we thought. About 2 fingers. Same thing in the rear. The rear is also about the same. About 2 fingers. Really gives it more of an aggressive stance. Now I'm off to get it realigned. Getting in is a lot easier. overall, I'm really happy with the way the springs turned out. The ride quality is not much different than stock. A little bit stiffer. That's something you can easily get used to. It's not so bad that you scrape over speed bumps. You still have to take them slow so you don't hit, but otherwise everything else is good. But overall, the springs, I'd give them easily a 4 stars out of 5. It advertises as a 1.5 inch drop, but this is more than 1.5 inches. This is about almost 2 inches that it's dropped. So just be aware of that if you're upgrading the lowering springs. If you decide to go with the Megans, it'll say 1.5 inches on Pro Civic, but in reality it's a little bit more than that. About 1 3/4 to almost 2 inches in drop. But yeah, definitely feel free and check these springs out. You can find them at procivic.com, you can find them at Megan Racing, or you can go to the link below, and I'll put a link down to 9 Livery, which is where I got them. So, until next time, take it easy.